Ever wondered why some apps feel effortless to use while others leave you frustrated? The secret often lies in something small but powerful: your bottom navigation bar. Poorly designed navigations can confuse users, bury important features, and make them abandon your app altogether. But with a clean, thoughtful bottom navigation, users instantly know where to go, and your app feels intuitive, fast, and modern. So, here are 5 golden rules for designing bottom navigation in mobile apps and why they matter. So, let's go. First rule is to keep it simple. Don't overload your bottom bar with too many options. Ideally, you should keep it between 3 to 5 main items. If you try to squeeze around 6 to 7 icons, they just shrink, spacing disappears, and users struggle to tap accurately. Instead, focus only on the core features of your app. Anything secondary like settings or profile details can go inside a side menu or a separate screen. The second rule is use clear icons plus labels. Icons can be tricky. A heart usually means like or favorites. But what if someone thinks it's for health? To remove guesswork, you should pair icons with short text labels like home, search, or profile. Keep labels to a single word if possible. Remember, clarity beats cleverness. If users hesitate even for a second, your design has failed. Third rule is prioritize what matters most. Not all tabs are equal. Place the most used feature in the center or in the far right or left corner of the phone, usually where the thumb reaches first. For example, Instagram puts the plus button for creating a post right in the middle. This isn't random, it's about reducing friction for the actions users do most often. Fourth rule is minimal distraction in user interface and maximum focus on the user experience. For enhancing the user interface, you should keep the bottom navigation clean, with no gradients, no cluttered icons, or unnecessary animations. For better user experience, a distraction-free navigation means users stay focused on the core task, improving engagement and satisfaction throughout the application. The fifth rule is design for thumb reach. Most people use their phone with one hand. That means the bottom navigation should sit comfortably within the thumb zone, the lower part of the screen that's the easiest to reach. You must avoid placing important controls at the top and don't make icons too small. The goal is effortless interactions, so users don't even think about tapping, they just do it. For better understanding, let's look at the quick case study to see these principles in action. A food delivery app I worked with had 6 items crammed into the bottom navigation: home, search, offers, cards, orders, and profile. The users were constantly missing tabs and abandoning the cart immediately. To improve this, we redesigned it with just 4 key tabs: home, search, orders, and profile. The cart was integrated into the home screen. We also added clear labels and highlighted the active state. Now, what's the result? Just within 2 weeks, the app saw a 22% increase in completed orders and a noticeable drop in user complaints about navigation. This small design tweak directly improved the business outcomes. Apart from this, you can also notice how the apps like Instagram or YouTube nails this. Their navigation is predictable, uncluttered, and always within the thumb reach. Now that you have understood, follow these 5 principles and your bottom navigation will feel natural, effortless, and user-friendly. The bottom navigation isn't just about the looks, it's about usability, comfort, and the flow. Get this right and your users will keep coming back without even thinking about it. If you want more such UI UX design tips, You can stay tuned to Coder's Column Design Studio. This is Dolly Solanki signing off.